Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making some goat meat pepper soup with some white rice. Enjoy, enjoy. So guys, I'm going to add my goats into the pot. We are going to be making goat meat pepper soup. I'm going to be adding some turkey gizzard. I've gone ahead to smoke this turkey gizzard. I've just added my goat meat to the pot. I'll be adding turkey gizzard to this very goat meat pepper soup. I don't know where you are. I don't know how easily you can get goat meat, but trust me, I just want to add a little bit so I can be able to save my goat meat and use it, like judiciously, because goat meat is really expensive. You can get a whole goat meat for 400 where we are now, 300 and something, and it's not easy to cough out. And sometimes my husband likes goat meat pepper soup. Some people just told me about some goat meat. I ordered for 2 of those, and I want to gradually use them. If you have goat meat easily where you are, or if you're around here, you know where I can get goat meat, because sometimes customers will order for goat meat, just let me know, okay? Leave me your comment in the comment section. I'm going to be adding other things while my turkey gizzard is smoking already. It's in the oven. I'll get it out, chop it into the sizes that I want, and then I'll throw it in. Next guys, I'm going to add my onion. Next guys is my pepper blend. Here I have my onion, I have my red bell, green bell, I have chili, I have scotch bonnet, I have my garlic and ginger. I'm going to add this. I'll let it bring out its own juice for a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and cover it up and let it bring its own juice, and then I'll start adding my other things. So guys, I'm going to open it up and see. Yeah, you see it has brought out some of the juice, so I'm going to add my gizzard. I've gone ahead to chop them to some chunks. Yeah, so here's my gizzard. I like to bake my gizzard, grill it, or even if I want to do peppered gizzard, I like to just grill it a little bit. So I'm going to add my pepper soup ingredients all the way from Nigeria. I'm going to add some crayfish. Guys, it's already smelling delicious here with that pepper soup ingredients. So I'm going to go in with some Maggi seasoning. Remember, I didn't add Maggi seasoning to the goat meat because I don't want to add too much salt or Maggi to this pepper soup. Add some water now. I'm going to add some more water from the blender just to rinse out the blender. So stir everything together. It smells so good here, even though there's not much goat meat here. It still smells so good. I know it's going to taste so delicious. You want to be careful so you don't add too much salt or Maggi. Guys, goat meat is really expensive. 400, 350. So if you have goat meat, please just try to manage it. Look at all those garlic, ginger, and everything. Green chili, red bell. I mean, it's so delicious. I don't know, have you ever noticed the taste that green bell gives to your soup? Whatever kind of soup or food, gives me this kind of deliciousness, delicious taste and aroma. I always want to have it in my food. It tastes so delicious. Yeah, You want pepper soup to be like pepper soup. You don't want to go in with this seasoning, that seasoning, like I always tell you. This is just pepper soup. It's delicious. Even without all of those, that seasoning, this seasoning. And then we're going to be enjoying it with some rice. Yeah. We can even eat it with some fufu. Guys, this is so delicious. My husband will be so happy. I'll cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. This is my scent leaf, guys. This is my bitter leaf. I just want a little bitter taste. And here is my basil. I'm going to add these 3 vegetables to this pepper soup. How do you feel, guys, like when you go to your backyard, you have organic vegetables, like you have organic basil, you have organic scent leaf, you have, I mean, it's not dry, this is fresh from my garden. That feeling is so good. How do you feel like if you have a garden where you are? Let me know where you're watching this video from. You know, whether it's Africa or any part of the world where you are. Like, this is something you want to try. Just have little things, even if it's not your home. And just have your pots, plant those things. You know, you can get them on Amazon actually. You can get them in the regular stores, like where they have they sell gardening stuffs. You know, you can just plant these things and make life easy for yourself somehow. Things like this make me feel good. It makes me remember home every time. Like when my mother would say, go to the backyard, go and get some scent leaf for pepper soup, get some punk leaf for vegetable soup, butter leaf, everything is just round the house. You just get all of these things and soup is ready. That feeling is so good, guys. Let me know how you like to make your gizzard pepper soup. I actually love goat meat pepper soup more, but like I said, goat meat is very expensive and I just have to substitute with more gizzard and a little of the goat meat just to have the goat meat scent and broth in the pepper soup. That's how I'm going to be doing it because it's expensive to buy goat meat now. That's how I'm going to be doing it now because it's quite expensive to buy goat meat now. I don't know how it is in Nigeria. Trust me, guys. This pepper soup is superb. We are going to eat with some rice. Our rice. Guys, I like to smoke my gizzard because there's this kind of taste that gizzard gives you if you do not wash it properly before cooking. So I like to get rid of that smell or taste by parboiling my gizzard and then with lemon or lime, parboil it a little bit and rinse it out and then marinate and bake it, or you broil it, whatever way you want to go about it. But I like that smokiness before I start using it for whatever. That's the way I like to do it. Even if I have to do peppered gizzard, that's how I like to go about it for me, because I don't like that smell from gizzard or even chicken. That's the way I like to go about it. I don't know about you. How do you like to go about your protein, especially these ones here in the diaspora? Guys, you will not understand. We want to taste this pepper soup now. Guys, pepper soup tastes so good. This is it for our pepper soup. You can decide to grill it before you make pepper soup with it. You can decide to just wash it and cook straight into your pot. For me, this is how I like to go about it. So if you think it's a good idea for you, go ahead and do it this way. You will love it. Yeah, I'll show you the rice. Rice is ready. La la. So yeah, I don't want my vegetable to get dark. This is it for your pepper soup. Yeah, it's time to dish daddy's back home. We gotta make some portion for him. He likes pepper soup a lot. We are going to go and eat. Come and eat with us. Which is team be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. See you in my next video. Please give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it to your family, friends and loved ones. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Look out for more videos. Thank you so much and God bless you.